thought something was done, but you said no, it's never done. Do you have a cricketing anecdote or a cricketing story?
I've had a few experiences through my career like that. There's almost I'm not sitting here and claiming any of this. I'm made this way. I almost crave situations when people feel like it's gone and then somehow you can manage to pull the game back. That's just how I look at the situations from a very young age. And I've never stopped believing, like right till the very end, that the game is lost or we can't win. And some magical things have happened. One incident for me that will always stand out is that game against Pakistan in Melbourne, where I was told later like chances of winning the game was like 3% or something. But I never thought like that. So even 1% is enough. If there is a chance, there is a chance. So you're never really done until you lose the game.
Round of applause.